Good morning, students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking second standard math subject. Today's topic is division, chapter 2, division. So students, in your previous class you have learned the division by repeated subtraction. Division by repeated subtraction. Now let's see the division on a number line. Division on a number line. So students, now we have to divide the division on a number line. So now let's divide the 12 by 3. Now we have to divide the 12 by 3. Now we have to make the division on a number line. So we have to first draw the line up to 12. 0 to 12. We have to draw the line up to 12. Next step is, so we have to divide the 12 by 3. So next, starting from 12. We have to start from the 12. Starting from the 12, we have to jump backwards 3. We have to jump backwards 3 steps till we get the 0. Till we get the 0. So start from the 12. We have to jump 3 steps because we have to divide the 12 by 3. So start from the 12. We have to jump backward 3 steps. So we got the 9. Next again we have to jump the 3 steps. So jump the 3 steps. We got the 6. So after we got the 6, now we have to jump 3 steps back. So jump 3 steps backwards. We got the 3. Now we have to jump from 3. Again we have to jump 3 steps back. We got the 0. So students, we have to divide 12 by 3. So we got the 0. Now let's count the number of jumps. Let's count the number of jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many steps we have made? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps we have made. So we got the answer 4. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to answer is 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to answer is 4. Now let's learn the division facts from multiplication tables. Division facts from multiplication tables. So students, now we have to learn the division facts from the multiplication table. So we already know the multiplication table of 2. Multiplication table of 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So students, now let's see the division fact of 2. Division fact of 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. So students, we already know the multiplication table of 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now let's see the division fact of 3. So here 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by, this is the sign of division. Divided by 3 is equal to, we got the answer 1. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. So students, we already know the multiplication table of 4. So now let's see the division fact of 4. 4 is the sign of division. 4 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 1. 8 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 2. 12 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 3. 16 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 5. 24 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 6. 28 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 7. 32 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 8. 36 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 9. 40 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 10. So students, we already know the multiplication table of 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Now let's see the division fact of 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Write the multiplication table and division fact from 6 to 9. From 6 to 9. So page number 101. Page number 101. Write in your maths homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.